Oh yeah.
Deliciosa.
For real, this is some good effing food you got over here. Fucking gains. Little effing gains, bros. Oh my god.
Hey, what is going on, you guys? Fanatic here, coming at you with a brand new video today. This one's going to be definitely a lot different than most of my other videos. This one is actually going to be a smoothie recipe. Not just any smoothie recipe. The smoothie recipe. So yeah, this is also not just a smoothie recipe. This is actually my secretive smoothie recipe. Actually, just kidding. I gotta tell you guys something. You know Christian Guzman? He's a fitness influencer. He has his own Alpha Elite gym. The co-founder of Alpha Elite, right? I'm sorry, I'm probably scaring my dogs. But anyways, I got the smoothie recipe from him, but I added my little twist on it, see? You know? Pick up some merch at teespring.com/fanaticsapparel. Copy your merch in the bio. So, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get started. So what you wanna do first, right? I'm gonna weigh this, right? Because instead of, you can get the packages, which is like the full serving you would need, is the little packages, or 5.3 ounces, alright? So I just got this blender today because I guess ours went out. Before we even weigh this, I'm gonna go through the ingredients. You need 5.3 ounces or 1 serving of Light and Fit original Greek yogurt. Sorry, I was showing you the wrong side. And it's 80 calories per serving. This is gonna say 130 if you're using this. Don't use a full cup. Unless you want to for the extra protein. But this is 12 grams of protein per serving that I'm gonna be using. So not the serving size of this, but the package size, you know what I'm saying? Sorry if it sounds like I'm spitting and I have a slur. I got my retainer, guys, so. Alright, so what we're gonna do is first I show you this. And then we're gonna be using some mixed berries. Oh my god, it's a fucking berry!
Oh my god, I think I found my berries.
Yeah, those berries. Alright, then we're gonna be using a full fucking banana. And then we're gonna use PB Fit powdered peanut butter. This is not by all the powdered peanut butters or the peanut butter section. This is by all of the sugar. So if you go to Walmart, look by the sugar. Oh, look by the sugar so you know where to find this stuff. 2 tablespoons, equivalent to the regular peanut butter. This is 50 freaking calories. Like, can you? You can't beat it. Literally, 50 calories per serving. Unlike the 190 calories per 2 tablespoons, and the same amount of protein. And then you got some fancy Ghost whey protein, cereal milk. Kind of goes with the, you know, the groove. You know what I'm saying? And then we got some pineapples. You know what I'm saying? We got some pineapples. So yeah, pineapple, and yeah, so I am going to show you how to assemble all this, you know, and, you know, give it a go. Alright, so first things first, I know it looks like a really scattered counter, but gonna wait for my scale to light up. Gonna go weigh this, 3.5 pounds, you know, 3.5 pounds, you know what I'm saying. What? Oh, it does have a little lip. So, get this. Ooh, nice and yummy. If you guys don't like the consistency of yogurt, still use the yogurt. But you're not gonna even taste the yogurt, trust me. You're not gonna get that dry tasting stuff. Oh, one more thing, one more. You can use your traditional milk if it has a tradition, well, I'm gonna be using Almond Breeze for the less calories. You know, it's only like 120 calories for a full cup of regular milk, but I don't know, I'm just picky, I guess. I never tried it with almond milk, but we're gonna try it. So we got almond breeze right here unsweetened. 10.4. Perfect, my brothers. Perfect, my brothers. All right. So now, kind of whack it. You know, freaking whack it. So the yogurt's out of the way, right? And then you go over here to your mixed berries. What the fun with my berries?
Oh my god, I think I found my berries.
She is going to be delicioso. Delicioso. All you need is a cup of this, a cup of this, cup of that, and just dump that shite right in there. Okay, so now you can, you know, use your little scooper duper you got going over here. Just get a half cup, half cup, pour some little pineapple juice in here, I guess. And then you just, pineapple it. So, yeah. I'm just gonna pick this up and start, kind of cleaning up so it makes less and less room, Now, you can add, not your milk. Don't add your milk yet, Don't add that shite. Come on, get the fuck off there. Alright, now what you do is you take your long freaking banana and then you just, hang on, let me get it out of there. Let me get it out of its sack. Alright, hang on, let me take these little fucking things off. Alright, and then you just break it, put her in. That's what she said. I mean, she said break it, that's nuts, man. Pinky, guys. We're getting down to the bits and grits, you know what I'm saying?
What?
Alright, now, we're gonna take this, get 2 tablespoons, bada boom, bada bang. And you got some of this over here. This is, oh my god, it's so amazing. I can't even explain how amazing it is. This was like $40 freaking, for this little freaking tub. And it's like 25 servings, Jesus. Look at that. Dump your protein in, Last but not least, second but not least, Okay, take a cup of this. Just pour it in. Yes, I am picky. I could do it like this and that, but I'm picky about weighing my food, so don't judge. Last but not least, guys, you can take your little ice cubes, put that in there. What? I'll add one more. So just add like 4 freaking ice cubes. Everything that I used and how much I used of that, the serving sizes will be in the description as well, so you can just like go check her out. I'm gonna bring you over to the blender right now. Pulse it a little bit. That's what you want to do. You want to pulse it. Because what pulsing does, it gets everything broken up so you can actually start grinding it. It's just like kind of like boost it up, kind of go. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's taste her out. Alright, now we got her. Let's see how she tastes. I don't know how good it's like mixed, but that is good. That is good. Also, forgot to tell you to subscribe, hit that bell button, like this video, and comment your thoughts on the video, and follow me on my social medias. I forgot to tell you that in the beginning. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Alright, I just want to show you my, cool little recipe of my smoothie. My milkshake brings the boy to the yard. So I'm going to close today's video, so what I want you to do first and foremost, subscribe, like this video, turn notifications on, follow me on my social medias, comment whatever is on your mind in the comment section below. And yeah, with no further ado, this has been Fanati's secretive smoothie recipe. And no further ado, guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe, this video, this non-vlog today. And yeah, got nothing else to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.